think about these? They look like you found them in a dumpster. Just toss those. You think so? They only cost a few bucks. Just toss those. But a few bucks saved is basically like a few bucks earned, and I could definitely find a way to spend the money elsewhere, right? Toss them and don't regret it. Are you the saver or are you the tosser? Comment down below on which inner voice you have.
In order to get your shoes looking brand new clean, the only things you're going to need is vinegar, dish soap, baking soda, and an old toothbrush. What I do first is generously squeeze dish soap onto the sole of the flip-flop. Then I take the baking soda and sprinkle it all over the dish soap. The combination of the two is really helping to cut the grease and grime as well as kill any bacteria on the flip-flops. In order to make sure it's really working, I give the shoe a quick scrub with a wet toothbrush. This immediately begins cleaning the shoes up. I should also mention, if you have sensitive skin or sensitive hands, you may want to wear gloves when you're using baking soda and vinegar. My hands aren't overly sensitive, but I do rinse them a lot when I use this mixture. Then I sprinkle a little more baking soda on the shoe, pour vinegar over it, and set it aside while I clean the other shoe. As you probably know, combining baking soda and vinegar results in a bubbly chemical reaction. This helps to lift any dirt or grime up off the shoe, sanitize the shoe, and whiten the shoe. Now, as the one shoe sits aside, I clean the other shoe. This method works amazing on flip-flops, but it also works great on other shoes as well. Just be careful not to be too abrasively scrubbing on certain materials, as it can cause fraying or other damage. I chose to clean the flip-flops for this video since I'm about to pack them away for the winter, and it would be future self-sabotage to pack them away all filthy. Now I'm able to grab my first shoe, give it a quick scrub, and rinse the rest of the grime away. The shoe looks brand new. It literally looks just about as clean as they were the day I bought them. I mean, sure, flip-flops seem like something that can be easily replaced, but they can also get dirty really quick. And like I said, this method works on all kinds of shoes. If you're interested in a video of me cleaning a different type of shoe, please let me know.
Wow, I've got to hand it to you. I did not think you were going to get those things clean. For sure, there's a way to clean just about anything. I've been following this YouTuber named Brittany. Her channel's name is simply this. She has all kinds of great ideas on how to clean things and all kinds of life hacks that are super useful. You should follow her.